Hello friends, this is Zarina Khan. Welcome back to our channel. So guys, today I'm going to share with you the answer key of pedagogy of REIT exams which was held on 24th of July. So let's start. So the answer of first question is reliability. The answer of second question is 2009, A option. So you must tally the answers with your booklet. So guys, here we have the questions. नेक्स्ट सो द थर्ड वन, एक शिक्षकों को मानसिक रूप से विक्षिप्त लोगों को निर्देश देते समय ये ध्यान रखना चाहिए कि वे परीक्षा उत्तीर्ण करने में सक्षम है। गाइज ये इंग्लिश वाला क्लियर नहीं हो रहा है, हाफ कट है, तो इसलिए मैंने हिंदी में रीड किया इसे, बट क्वेश्चन में रीड इंग्लिश में कर रही हूँ। आर एबल टू पास एग्जामिनेशन, लर्न मोर वोकेशनल स्किल्स, वर्क हार्ड। द B1 इज़ द करेक्ट आंसर। The answer of fourth question is learning through reward and punishment. It's operant conditioning theory of Skinner. Which of the following is not a step in conducting scientific research? So it's dynamic approach. So next slide is, here we have question number 6 to 7. Tendency of body to maintain a steady state is homeostatic. Seventh, the answer of seventh is intrinsic. You can read the answer and tally with your question booklet. Now next is, in the identification of gifted, we must give priority to the result of objective test. According to Freud, the primary structure element of personality are id, ego and superego. B1 is the correct answer. Next is 10th one. Life presents and continuous chain of the struggle for existence and survival. The answer of 10th one is Darwin. Which among the following, actually guys I have doubt in question 10th because Google जब मैंने किया था, so I found the answer is Spencer's, but I also read about Darwin, so I have doubt it can be Darwin or Spencer. Which among the following is not a major period of cognitive development given by Piaget? So it's cyclic stage, इस तरह की कोई stage नहीं थी. Next one is 12th question is, mental activity that goes on in the brain when a person is processing information is called. It's same guys, यहाँ पे भी थोड़ा सा डाउट है. गूगल इज़ शोइंग थिंकिंग, और आपके अकॉर्डिंग अगर आपको लगता है कि इसका आंसर आपको पता है तो प्लीज़ कमेंट में ज़रूर बताइएगा. सो यहाँ मैं इसको थिंकिंग पे टिक कर रही हूँ, बट आई हैव डाउट इन दिस, तो प्लीज़ कमेंट में इसका आंसर दीजिएगा अगर आपको पता है. Which of the following has not been shown to help maintain a healthy level of cognitive functionings? So it's sedentary lifestyle, working crossword, reading, participating in games. तो ये तो हमारे cognitive functions के part हैं. So guys, next, yes, the next one is assimilation is current schema to interpret the external world. A1 is the correct answer. 15, the three pillars of educations are teacher, students, curriculum. All knows. Dyslexia is difficulty in reading. Then formula of IQ is MA by CA into 100. Is the easiest one. And next 18th one is, which among the following is not a subjective method to access personality? So यहाँ भी थोड़ा सा डाउट है C and D में guys, so please इसे भी आप चेक कर लीजिएगा. Maybe it can be reading skill, so I'm going with this option. If you know, please let me know in the comment box. Next, which among the following doesn't fall under the classification of mental retardation? So mild, moderate, severe retardation, we have read accurate is the option. And next one is a series of picture is shown to the object and he is asked to make a story. It's a TED, Raven's projective techniques. Next one is, sorry, it's taking time. Dash is the immediate environment in which the individual lives is microsystem. Dash proposed the theory of multiple intelligence, all knows Gardner. According to Right to Education Act 2009, and a school established within its recognition. Next 24. Any relatively permanent change in behavior or behavioral potential produced by experience is called learning. Which among the following is involved in learning process? That is all psychological, environmental, and psychological both are same. अच्छा, physiological, sorry. नेक्स्ट, आनुवंशिक तंत्र के अध्ययन के क्षेत्र में नवीन शोध किस दिशा की ओर अग्रसर है? कोशिका विज्ञान, जीवमिति, जानवरों की प्रायोगिक प्रजनन और उपरोक्त सभी. अकॉर्डिंग टू मी इट मस्ट बी ऑल. RT Act 2009 direct dash working, it's 45. Which of the following is not a biological determinant of personality? Nervous system and ductal gland. Somatic structure is situational structure. Next guys, 29. Which of the following is not a general law of heredity? So it's like Baggett's like. As per Right to Education Act 2009, elementary education means education from first to class 8. So here we have covered all the questions. अगर आपको लग रहा है कि कुछ ऐसे क्वेश्चंस हैं जिनके आंसर क्लियर नहीं है या गलत है तो प्लीज़ कमेंट बॉक्स में आप आंसर ज़रूर कीजिएगा, और अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो थोड़ा लाइक भी कर दीजिएगा. थैंक यू. हैव अ नाइस डे. बाय बाय.